My name is Yvette Anyango. My brand is called Alegohono. It's a contemporary slow fashion brand based in Nairobi.
What can you tell us about the significance of this event on your brand?
The significance is that we get to interact with other customers. Other customers come to know about the brand and know more about the brand because most people who are coming have never heard about you before. So it's nice to tell people about the brand so that they can be able to see what you're doing and things like that and get contacts so you can always share more of your work, and they can also get some things that are either custom made. If they don't like what they see, you can always have a way to interact with them. So yeah.
You can see you have a number of products with you here.
First, I have this organic cotton. It's sourced from just here in Nairobi. It has a tie and dye effect, and it's something like, it's so simple that you can throw on, and it's like a unisex t-shirt. So it's for both men and women and so forth. So most of the fabrics here are shot from deadstock fabric, which means from fabric waste from factories. So you might see this today, and by the time it's sold out, you might never get to see again. So fewer pieces so that people get to see that not so many people have it, because sometimes customers like the exclusivity. So yeah. And we have like this Onyango vest that's unisex that you can tie it multiple ways, and it's both for men and women. You can wear it over a t-shirt, over a shirt, over just things or just like that if you're feeling.
How is the Kenyan market like?
I think the reception is a bit slow at the moment, so we hope to pop-ups like this help to expose the consumers to the Kenyan brands, because everything, it's sourced in Kenya, it's made in Kenya, and it's for Kenyans and everyone alike. So if people, because it's the consumers' way to uplift the industry, and if you buy into your own, if you buy made in Kenya, you ensure the growth of the brands and the growth of things that are made in Kenya, and we ensure you that things that are made in Kenya are actually quality. So it's not something that it's made in China where you always iffy about it. Yeah, you question the quality. So because we take time to make our products, and each piece is a work of art.
How can people reach you?
People can reach me. You can either email me alegohono@gmail.com, or you can take my number 011 460 1946 if you want to reach me through like call or WhatsApp, or just slide into the DM on Instagram, Alegohono.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.